To fill your printer using the Easy Refill bottle, remove the outer cap, open the lid of the printer, and then pull back on the seal cap. We can then pop the Easy Refill bottle straight onto the filling valve. The caps of the Easy Refill bottle are universal and work with nearly every Ecotank printer Epson create. There's no need to squeeze, gravity will pull the ink into the printer. Once the marker on the front of the printer shows that it's full, you can remove the bottle and put the cap back on.